In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Amazon Flex works, complete guide. If you're curious about earning extra income by delivering packages on your own schedule, this walkthrough will help you understand the essentials from start to finish. First, let's cover what you need to join. You typically must be at least 21 years old and have a valid driver's license, a compatible smartphone, and a mid-size vehicle, or larger, depending on your country. You'll also need to pass a background check and have a bank account set up for payments. Availability varies by city, so some areas will be open right away while others may not accept new drivers at the moment. To apply, download the Amazon Flex app, create your account, submit the required documents, and complete the background check process. Approval can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, and in some regions you may be placed on a waiting list. Make sure your documents are clear and up to date to avoid delays. Here's how delivery blocks work. Instead of being paid per package, you select time blocks in the app, like a 3-hour shift. Once you accept a block, head to the assigned warehouse, scan and load your packages, and follow the in-app GPS to complete your route. You're paid for the entire block even if you finish early. A helpful tip: organize packages in your vehicle by stop order as you scan them to speed up your route. Earnings depend on your location and demand. A typical range in the United States is about $18 to $25 per hour. For example, a 3-hour block might pay $60 to $90. Keep in mind that rates can fluctuate by city, traffic, and time of day. You might deliver standard Amazon.com packages, Whole Foods grocery orders, Amazon Fresh, and same-day deliveries. Grocery routes can include heavier or chilled items, so insulated bags may be required in some areas. Payments are usually sent twice a week via direct deposit. As an independent contractor, you're responsible for your own taxes. Track your mileage, fuel, and maintenance costs so you can budget accurately and discuss deductions with a tax professional if needed. There are clear pros and cons. The schedule is flexible, you choose your hours, and payouts arrive frequently. On the flip side, earnings depend on demand, you cover fuel and car upkeep, there are no employee benefits,